Jai Hind. In the last class, we have to already discuss about the Lewis structures and octet rule, and in the case of helium and hydrogen, the duplet rule. Now, in the class, we were discuss about the some Lewis structures of the molecules like ethane molecule, acetylene molecule, and some ions like the carbonate ion, ammonium ion, etc. So, without failing late, we are going to start the formation of or the Lewis structure of C2H4. So friends, this is the C2H4. So for this, first of all, you have to calculate the or count the total number of electrons in this molecule. So in this molecule there are the 2 carbon plus 4 hydrogen. Okay, so 2 into 4 electron from each carbon, so write here 4 plus 4 and 1 electron from each hydrogen, write 1. So it will be 8 plus 4 equal to the 12. It means there are 12 electron in C2H4 molecules. So now we are going to make the Lewis structure. So you can write the frame like this, 2 carbons, and distribute the 4 hydrogens like this at each carbon. So first of all, you make a single bond for this hydrogen, this hydrogen, this hydrogen, and this hydrogen. So friends, as you know that in a single bond there will be 2 electrons are being participated. So 2 electron from here, 2 electron from here, 2 electron from here, and 2 electron from here. That means there are 4 sides. So 2 4 ja 8 electrons are being used, and now we have the 4 electrons remain because there are the 12 electron. So 4 electrons are being remaining. So we make a single bond here. Now we have 2 electron more and one single bond also. So we have the no free electrons and total 8 electron being used. So you may calculate 2 electron from here, 2 to 4 to 8 to 8 to here 10, here 12, 10, and here 12. 2 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are the 6 bonds. So each bond formed by the 2 electrons, so there will be 12 electrons. So now we can draw the simple structure of C2H4 molecule as a Lewis dot structure like this. Once again, like this we can write it. May see here carbon, 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 hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen, and there is a double bond here. So there is a multiple bond between the carbon. This is the single one bond, and this is the one bond. So there is a double bond between 2 carbons, and by this structure C2H4 molecule being formed. And we can say that this is the Lewis structure or bond structure of the C2H4 molecules. Now if we want to make the Lewis structure of C2H2, so easily, first of all, first step is the total number of electrons. So now we are going to calculate the simple method. 1 from H, 4 from this carbon, 4 from this carbon, and 1 from here. So write 1 4 4 1. So 5 4 9 1 10. So there are the 10 electron, there are 10 12 electron, total electrons are the 10. Now we can make the structure like this, 10 total electrons. So make the frame, 2 carbons are there and 2 hydrogens are there. So write like this. First of all, attach to the hydrogen by the carbon. So now we use the 2 electron from here and 2 electron from here. Total 4 electrons are used, and we have 6 electron more. So 6 electron can form the 3 bonds. So like this, there is a triple bond between the 2 carbons. So this is the structure of C2H2 molecule. Like this we can make it H, C, triple bond C and H. So this is the structure of Lewis structure or Lewis representation of the C2H2. Now some ions can be also make like this, like the O3 ion, ozone. You may see here ozone. So there are the 3 oxygen. So 3 write the 3 into 6 electron from each oxygen. So 3 into the 6. So it will be 6 3 ja 18. It means we have the 18 electron for the 3 oxygen. So first of all make the frame of the ozone. So draw 3 oxygen and single bond by the single bond to each oxygen. Now 2 from here, 4 electrons are used. Make one double bond here, and you calculate the number of electron at each oxygen atom. So here, so 2 electron from this bond, 2 electron from this bond, there are the 4 electrons are there. Now it need 4 electron more to complete its octet. So put here 1 electron and 1 electron and 1, it's 1. So now you calculate the number of oxygen at this number of electron at this oxygen. So 2 electron from this bond, 2 electron from this bond. Actually 1 electron not, actually here 2 electrons will be counted for single bonds. So this electron means a bond of this electron will count for this oxygen as well as this oxygen also. So 2 electron here, 2 electron here, 4 electron, 2, 6 and 2, 8. It means there is a 8 electron completed at this oxygen. Now we comes to the here. At this oxygen there is a 2 electron from here, 2 electron here, it means the 4, and 2 electron here from it will be 6. So this oxygen carry the 6 electron and it need 2 electron more. So we draw 2 dot here to represent its 8 electron. And for this case, this oxygen case, you can calculate the number of electron. Only 2 electrons are here, so it needs 6 electron more. So 1 electron, 2 electron means 2 to 4, 1 minute, 2 to 4 to 6 electrons are here, and 2 electron also to 8 electrons are. So you can make the simple. Now we calculate the number of electrons. There are the 16 electron, and we are going to calculate the number of electrons again. There are the 3 oxygens are there, and 2 bonds are there, 2 electrons here from this bond, 2 electron from this, 2 2 2 2. So 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 to 12 to 1 13 14 15 16. 1 electrons here left. 16 electrons are completed. 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 like this, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now we have 2 electrons more, 15 and 16. So this is the structures of the ozone molecule, you can write like this: O O O. There is a double bond, there is a single bond, and there is simply plus charge will here appeared because the contribution of electrons are more than the 8, and one negative charge here, and the total molecule will be neutral because the same number of the positive and neutral negative charge are there. So easily you may draw the structure. Now we comes to the carbonate ion CO3 minus. So total calculate the number of electrons C into 3O. This is the oxygen, not 0, plus count the number of charge as negative charge as plus electrons and positive charge as a minus electrons. So plus 2 from this 2 negative charge. So 4 electron from this carbon and 3 into each oxygen giving the 6 electron. So 18 plus 2, so it will be 22 plus 2 means 24. There will be 24 total electron, 24. So for making the structure of ozone, carbonate, sorry, not for ozone. So make the frame like carbon, and there will be 3 oxygens. So 1 oxygen, 2nd oxygen and 3rd oxygen, and total number of electrons 24. It was calculated 24. So may they distribute the number of electrons. So 2 electrons may like this, 2 electrons, this 2 electrons, 4, 6 and 8. So this 8th electron will make here 8, and for this carbon 1 electron, 2 electron here, 3, 4. So this carbon also carry the 4 electron. Now this oxygen 1 electron. Now 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and for this oxygen 1 means this is also so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So till total there will be 24 electrons, you may calculate. And finally we made the structure of carbonate ions like this. There will be double bond at any oxygen and single bond at 2 electrons oxygens, and 2 minus charge, those minus charge are at the structure given here, CO3 minus 2. In this 2 minus charge, 1 electron will arise at this oxygen and 1 minus is arise at this oxygen. So finally we can draw like this, 2 minus, like this. So this is the structure of carbonate ions. So friends, easily anybody can draw. Like the example here, you can see here the question is given, write the Lewis dot structure of CO molecule. CO means carbon monoxide molecule. So first of all, count the total number of electrons. So total number of electrons is 4 from this carbon and 6 from this oxygen. So total will be 10. So 10 electron. Then write the C and O for frame and distribute the total 8 electrons. So 1 electron here, 2 electron. This carbon 2 electrons, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8 and 2 electron more, 10. So there will be 10 electron, and bonds like this: carbon, single bond oxygen, 2 electrons are here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons are there. So finally the structures is like this: carbon, oxygen, single bond, double bond, triple bond. So there will be 6 bonds, electrons are here: 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And finally the structures of CO framed as a C triple bond O, and 2 electrons, dot electrons are present at this carbon, and this 2 electron is also present at this oxygen. So friends, homework to you: try to make the Lewis dot structure of NO minus and HNO3, and if there is any problem, then you may ask as a comment in the video section, comment box. And if video is helpful, so please inform me. If you are facing the problem, and suggestion to me for use the board or blackboard, so please comment to me, and next video will come as soon as possible earlier. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.